of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, I am pleased to announce a $2 million contribution. That $2 million contribution is to the International African American Museum for the Center for Family History. Now, Michael, nobody uses checks anymore. So I don't have a check to give you, but I promise tomorrow morning we will initiate the electronic wire transfer of the funds. Michael, we pray that through this donation and the continuing partnership between the church and the International African American Museum, millions and millions of God's children will be blessed with an increased sense of connection, belonging, and purpose. May God bless you and your efforts now and always. Thank you.
I'd love to just, I don't feel like I have the appropriate vocabulary to express my thanks, but we are so deeply grateful to the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, to FamilySearch, just for this enormous opportunity. We are building something that will shine brightly on this nation and on the world, and we will do work that we promise will make you proud. And we're just so very grateful. And before I leave, we've actually got a couple people back in Charleston that would like to say a few words as well. So thank you so much.
I wish to express my heartfelt gratitude to the leaders and members of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints and the wonderful team at FamilySearch. Your very generous contribution to create the International African American Museum and your commitment to a strong ongoing partnership with the Museum Center for Family History is absolutely extraordinary. The work of the creation of the museum has been a long, arduous, and difficult uphill journey, now 19 years long. The great difficulty of this effort was because we were aspiring to create an institution of enormous power and excellence that will seek to remember and honor those enslaved Africans who were brought to our country on the shores of our harbor, and to instruct and inspire all who visit. One of the crown jewels of the experience will be the Center for Family History. Our partnership with the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints and FamilySearch will catapult the center into a level of excellence that simply would not be achievable without you.
Not long ago, I stood here on the site of the former Gadsden's Wharf with leaders of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints and leaders of FamilySearch. We realized at that time the importance of a relationship between the church and the museum, and we understood that that relationship would be foundational to the work of the museum. On behalf of the Board of Directors of the museum, I thank you.
On behalf of all the citizens of Charleston, South Carolina, thank you for the many blessings.
I want to thank the members of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints for this tremendous gift. I often say that we who fail to learn the lessons of our history are bound to repeat them. The history lessons that will be taught by the International African American Museum are lessons that I think will serve us well way out into the future. Thank you very much for this great gift. I look forward to all of us enjoying it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Your generous gift and support will change countless lives for the better in all the years to come.
Thank you, Elder Bednar. The partnership between